Hello, this is my project to Contacts API, and I think this is the final part of it. And now, I've started by showing up the endpoints. Then after, I'll come to show you the JSON or Swagger, and here are all the required error handle rings, and then all responses like 201, the success, then the bad, and everything. So I think the Swagger is all set up so that we can move on to the deployed page. So this is my deployed page on render. So I'll go on and like test the AI. So basically on my front end, this shows like I'm not logged in. I'm not logged in. So I'll start by showing up like testing the authorizations by testing the endpoints, how they act, how they work, and all the error stuff. So I'll come here. Oh, sorry. So I'll come to switch to Swagger UI so that I can demonstrate it all. So I'll start by getting, so here it shows. So I'll start by getting all contacts so that I can get and write like IDs. So this is the stuff in my database. So I'll come and pick one ID. So the name is string, last name is string, and then the other color is neon. So I would like to test the put. So let me try out the put to see whether it works when I'm unauthorized. Remember, I've not logged in. So I'll try it by showing up this ID and then come to update the strings. So here I'll put like Amkasa, and then down here I'll try a different name. What would it be like? Susan? And then after that's all I want to update. So I'll come and execute. And then after execution, I'll get the error 401 so that which says you are unauthorized. So authentication is required here. So I'll go on, and this all applies all to other endpoints. I think it's working okay, and I'll go on and go back to get authorizations. So I'll come here and log in using my GitHub, or it's the one I used. I'll have a delay because of the network. The network is not just that good. Let me see. So as we are waiting for network, you can see that my database is having both contacts and the user's profile, which are the required collections. And then, yeah, I'm logged in. So my front end says I'm logged in. So I'll try again to the put in the Swagger UI. And then again, I'll come to get all the IDs. So I'll again come and pick the ID we used recently. And I'll come to try a put. So I'll paste the ID here. And try to update. Yeah, try to update the profile name. Oh no, I had to try the contacts. So I'll try the put. Try it out. I put the ID and then I'll come to change the name string to Namkasa. And then maybe to Susan, the second name. And then the color, we shall put the color to a neon. Oh, sorry. And then we execute. After execution, it shows response 204, which is a successful updated database response. So I'll come to check again in the database to see whether the string has been updated. Sorry, we use the get all. I use the get all. So I'll try it out again and execute. So we shall find that Susan is now updated in the database and it's all going okay because I'm authorized. So I think it all goes well based on time. It's a time chess. So I won't be able to show it all, but this is it because it works, it updates and puts, can delete and everything. Thank you. So working okay. Database is updated. So maybe I can show you my database to show that all collections are available. Might be slow, I think, to work out. Let me try to connect. Connected. So this is it, the CSE with all two collections, the users and the contacts, with all more than 7 content documents. So that is it. Thank you.